Welcome to Ngozi Technology YouTube channel, your go-to destination on matters academic research writing. I am Lucy Wanjiro, your research assistant. In this channel, we are dedicated to take you through a step-by-step basic guideline in writing a research paper from the topic to its conclusion. Whether you're pursuing a diploma, undergraduate, postgraduate diploma, master's, or PhD degree, this channel is tailor-made for you. We are committed to equip you to become an authentic and skilled research writer. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and engage us in the comment section for questions and suggestions. Welcome on board. Today we are going to be discussing about the scope of the research study. The term scope refers to the range, the extent, the limits of a research study. It defines the boundaries, the parameters within which the research will be conducted. It is also an outline of what the research will cover and what it will not cover. It helps the study to be focused on achieving the specific objectives. It is very, very important for us to understand the components that go into the development of a comprehensive scope. So let's dive in. What are these key components of the scope? Now, the first one is the research objectives. Of course, you need to put down the research objectives. What will be covered by this research? The second one is the research questions or the hypothesis. In this area, that's where you put in the hypothesis and also the questions that the research study aims to answer. Then the third thing is the study population or the sample. Here you specify the target population or the sample for the research. You provide the details about the characteristics of the participants or the respondents, such as the demographic information, inclusion criteria, or any other relevant details. Then number 4, you put the geographical boundaries. You clearly define any geographical limitations or boundaries for the study. Specify the locations of the regions covered by the research, especially patent in the studies where geography plays a significant role. For example, if you're doing your study in a town, you have to say you are in Kenya, in Nakuru, and then you define the town that you're going to do your study. You're in Nairobi, you're in Kenya, Nairobi, Kawangware. You can state clearly the boundaries and the location where the research is going to be conducted, okay? The next thing is the time frame. This is where you specify when to start and when to end your research. For example, when the data will be collected and analyzed. This one helps to give a clear indication on the time frame for the study. The next one is inclusion and exclusion criteria. This one defines clearly what is going to be included in the research and what is going to be excluded. It may involve specific variables, conditions, or characteristics that fall within or outside the scope of the research. The last one is the methodology and the research design. Provide a brief overview of the research methodology and design. Then you specify whether the study is quantitative or qualitative, the methods of approach, Give the key elements of the research design, such as data collection methods and analytical procedures. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our study today about the scope of the research study. Remember that the scope defines the boundaries and the parameters of your research, ensuring transparency, focus, and feasibility. Thank you so much for joining our academic journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, and also engage us in the comment section for any reviews, questions, and suggestions. Until next time, happy researching. I am Lucy Wanjiro, your research assistant. Adios.